Hey guys, welcome back. All right, we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. I just got a new controller because I want to start doing FPV drones. Now, if you follow my channel for a long time or just know me, you know I've had a lot of kind of like, cinema drones, different versions, some DJI drones. Had a Storm Drone 6 for a little while. And I love those. Drones are fun, but I've always really liked the idea of doing FPV drones. And I was like, you know what? This year, I'm gonna start doing FPV drones. So, picked up a controller. Now, this is a relatively cheap controller, price-wise, but it's got great reviews. And multiple people have recommended this to me. And one of my friends that does animatronics, I worked as a puppeteer recently, and they use a very similar controller from this company on something we worked on. So I liked it. It worked great. Worked flawlessly. The size was great. This is a RadioMaster Pocket RC controller, and this is the ELRS version, which is one of the newer kind of like radio protocols that works with different receivers. And apparently this is the one I've been recommended to go with. I don't know. The last remote I had was this guy here. This is probably 8 years old, so it's a little bit dated. Still works. I'm going to be using this for animatronic builds that I'm working on. So this won't be used as drone stuff anymore, but this will be connected to robots. Since I've got it, I'll probably ditch the screen and go into that later. This is not important, but I got this. This actually came with the Storm Drone 6, and it works awesome. But yeah, it's just been sitting around waiting for a use, and I was like, should I use that with the drone? And I was researching, and it really doesn't meet up to the standards of the newer receivers. So this is one we're getting. And then another really good thing about this is that I can directly hook this one up to a simulator, which I can with the other one too, but it requires like an adapter, all this stuff. This one I can plug right in, use it with a simulator, which means I can train for the FPV drone flight without busting up a bunch of drones. So controller first. I'll probably get some headsets soon, and then we'll go from there. All right, here is the package. Now it's interesting. It's like it's its own little bag here. Now, honestly, I don't know. The string looks kind of janky on here. Maybe it's just whatever they use, but it almost looks used. Hopefully, it's not some used thing that they just sent me. We'll find out. Nope, looks brand new. But yeah, so here's the controller. Got the little flip-up antenna, which you can also double as a handle. It's very small. It's like the size of a game controller, and the batteries go underneath here. These little flaps lift up, and then it takes this, I think 3.7 volt guys. I can't remember the names, but it's got the little joysticks going here. Apparently they're very durable, which is also good because I assume once I get some small drones, I'll probably be fine in the 5-inch size for a little while, and I'd love to be able to just throw all this stuff in a backpack. And so something this size is good. Let's see what else is in the box. Some clear plasticky stuff. Some replacement springs. These are the springs? Yeah, these are the springs. Some kind of sticker. USB-C cable. And instructions. A lot of stickers that I don't know what I'm going to do with, but I got them. Quick start book. And yeah, here's the remote. It's real little. And again, I'm going to start doing drone simulator practice probably today or tomorrow, and I'll live stream that stuff because why not? So if you're guys on YouTube and you watch me learn how to fly drones, FPV drones specifically, I can already fly cinema drones. Those are a lot easier. You can hang out with me while I practice. Crash a lot virtually. But yeah, so anyway, let's pull these sticks out here. The little sticks have a little pocket in the back so that we can plug them in. Let's see here. Sorry, get these things in place. So sticks are in. Now I used a controller very similar to this, like I said, on a set recently, and feels like the exact same. I don't know what you call the little sticks, the little joystick pots. They seem the pots. I don't know what you call them. They are wells. I could probably have that wrong. Anyway, this is relatively newer controller than what I'm used to. My old controllers back in the day when I was driving RC cars, they had a crystal you had to take out and swap. You get a matching set, one for the receiver and one for your transmitter. And now these newer ones like this, you can, make them up to your receiver, but then this style is even more involved. You can plug this in and use a program to control all kinds of stuff. Plug it right in the computer, much easier. And I'm excited about that because worst case scenario, once I outgrow this one and I get more into the drone stuff, if I start getting better controllers, I can always use this for animatronic stuff. So this will still be useful for my puppets. If I'm making robot puppets or anything animatronic related, I'll still have this. And it's a good trainer for the simulator. Let me see how this feels. I mean, this guy, the sticks are longer and they're adjustable, which is pretty cool, but they also, they don't feel too much different. I heard people say, oh, this feels cheap. No, they really feel about the same. This big old controller, which feels nice. These feel good. The sticks feel good. I'm actually really curious to see if the sticks from this one will work here. Let me see. Can I undo these? Do not know. Maybe not. The sticks on this big controller are adjustable height-wise, so you can make them longer, which is good for like fine-tuning your movements. And depending on how you fly, if you just control with your thumbs, or if you do pinch, and I do both depending on what I'm doing with like the puppeteering stuff, I find the pinching is a little better. But when I'm flying my other drones, like the DJI style, I usually just use my thumbs. Sometimes if I'm getting like it needs to be more precise, I'll go to the pinch method, but I'm fine going back and forth. So I guess I'll try this, and as I get into doing a simulator, we'll see. But anyway, here's a look right out of the box. We'll find out soon. If you guys want to watch me learn to fly, check back in. I'll put come up with a schedule and put it up if you want to watch me live stream my FPV practice. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. It's a RadioMaster Pocket cheap controller. I think it's like $70 maybe. So that's it. We'll give it a shot. That was what's in the box. See you guys later. Bye.